Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Darryl V 1986 and today is February 19, 2014 around 12 p.m. and I'm here actually in DMV to get my H6 printout because this is my first episode of my Durham journey. Durham is actually a private company for school bus. So I have a friend and he is a school bus driver for the last 4 years. He told me everything, the experience, how to apply. He told me everything and he's encouraging me to apply for it, and he said it was the best job in the world. So I'm here right now in DMV to get my H6 printout, the first step, and then I will apply tomorrow, and then I will go to the training and until I will be a school bus driver. So that will be the process of being a school bus driver. This is the first step, episode 1, and have to get my H6. Probably the line is long. I'm here in DMV in the parking lot, as you can see right there. Yeah, DMV right there. So okay then, and this is the easiest part is getting the printout, the H6 printout in DMV. The hard part is applying tomorrow and taking the test and stuff. That will be for the episode 2. So this is episode 1, Durham journey. Adios. Hey, what's up YouTubers? It's me again. I don't need to repeat my name. So I was on the line at 12 o'clock. It took me around 30 minutes to get inside DMV, and finally I had my H6 printout right here. So that will be it. And tomorrow, the Durham episode 2, I'll be applying on Durham school bus, and that will take around 2 hours, answering the test and stuff. So okay then, so this is the first step is finished, and we are going to the second step of becoming a school bus driver. Okay then, wish me luck. Adios.